This is tutorial number 8 and we'll be covering multiple extruded lofts. To start off, let's open up a part file, click File, click New, click Part, click OK. With a multiple extruded loft, we're going to be making multiple sketches and extruding through those multiple sketches. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp using multiple extruded lofts. To start off, let's click Sketch, click Circle, click the front plane. Now click the origin and let's draw a circle and make this 30 millimeters the radius. Click enter, accept it, click OK. Now go into your isometric view and let's insert a plane. Now open up the tree and click the front plane and let's make this 30 millimeters from the front plane. Click OK. Click front view. So now we can see the other circle. Click circle, and we can make our next circle with respect to the first one that we've made. Click the origin, and let's make this circle 20 millimeters. Click OK. Click OK. Let's go back to our isometric view, and let's make another plane. Click plane. Now we're going to make it from the first plane that we've made now. So click plane 1, and let's make this one 60 millimeters from plane 1. Click OK. Click front view. Click circle. Click the origin, and let's make this circle as big as the first circle that we made. So once the circle goes red, once the sketch goes red, we are making it as big as that other sketch. So click OK. Click OK. Go back to your isometric view, and let's insert another reference geometry. Click plane. Click plane 2. And this one, let's make it 30 millimeters. Click OK. Click front view. Click circle. Click the origin, and this circle we'll make in between these two, and let's make it 27 millimeters. Click enter. Click OK. Now back to our isometric view. Insert reference geometry. Insert reference geometry. Click plane. Click plane 3. And let's make this 50 millimeters. Click OK. Click front. Now let's draw this circle from the origin and make it as big as the smallest circle. Click OK. Back to our isometric view. Insert reference geometry. Click plane. Click plane 4. And we'll make this one 40 millimeters from plane 4. Click OK. Click front view. Click circle. Click the origin. And let's make this 10 millimeters. Click OK. Click isometric view. And now let's use our lofted base. So click every single sketch that we made, and you'll see the whole part taking shape. Now, let's look at our object. Looks like what we wanted it to be. So let's click OK. And now we've created our little lava lamp. And once again, we can go through all the sketches that are highlighted in red, and we can edit them. So let's say we wanted it to come to more of a point at the top. Let's edit sketch 5 and sketch 6. So right click sketch 5, click edit sketch, click the smart dimensioning tool, and let's make this smaller. Let's make this 30. Click OK, and let's edit. Click OK. and it rebuilds it. And let's edit sketch 6 too, and we'll make it come up to 10. Click OK, and now it rebuilds it, and it comes more to a point. Now you can do this with any shape, and as you can see, each layer, it comes up and extrudes through them all. This concludes our tutorial on multiple lofted extruded bases.